Welcome back to my channel, where we talk about all things finance. Today we're going to discuss the differences between stocks and bonds, two of the most common investment options. First, let's talk about stocks. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a share of ownership in a company. That means you're entitled to a portion of the company's profits, and you have a say in how the company is run. Of course, the value of a stock can go up or down depending on how well the company is doing, and other factors that affect the stock market. That means there's always some level of risk involved when investing in stocks. And because stocks are traded on the open market, their value can change rapidly based on investor sentiment, news events, or other factors. Now let's talk about bonds. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to a company or government entity. In return, you receive interest payments over a set period of time, and the principal amount of your investment is returned to you at the end of the bond term. Because bonds are essentially loans, they're generally considered to be less risky than stocks. However, that also means they typically offer lower returns. When it comes to deciding between stocks and bonds, there are a few things to consider. One is your investment goals. If you're looking for long-term growth, stocks may be a better option. But if you're looking for stable, predictable returns, bonds may be a better choice. Another factor to consider is your risk tolerance. If you're comfortable with the ups and downs of the stock market, stocks may be a good fit. But if you're more risk-averse, bonds may be a better choice. Finally, it's important to consider diversification. Rather than investing solely in stocks or bonds, it's often wise to have a diversified portfolio that includes both. That way, you can balance the risks and rewards of each type of investment. In summary, stocks and bonds are two of the most common investment options, but they have some key differences. Stocks offer ownership in a company and the potential for high returns, but also come with higher risk. Bonds offer predictable returns and lower risk, but with lower potential rewards. The choice between the two depends on your investment goals, risk tolerance, and the need for diversification. Thanks for tuning in today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more finance tips and insights. Until next time, happy investing!